Let's crochet the egg of the bunny with white apricot yarn together. We will need to start with magic ring and work 6 single crochet for round 1, totally 6 stitches. Make your left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. And loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make 1 magic ring. Slip off the magic ring. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So, this is 1 single crochet. We can see the V shape of the stitch. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 5 more times to work 6 single crochet. The second single crochet. Three, 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. If you have more than 6 stitches, undo them until you count 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. For round 2, we need to work 3 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, totally 9 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Next, we need to work 2 single crochet in the next stitch to make 1 increase. Two single crochet in the same stitch equal 1 increase. Finished 1 sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, see 3 stitches. Work 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. Finished 2 sequences. For the third sequence, 1 single crochet first. And 1 increase. This is the slip stitch and this is the chain stitch. They are not counted as the needed stitch of each round. So, we need to skip these 2 stitches and insert hook into the marking stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Flip inside to outside. You can see the V-shaped stitches on this side. This is the correct side of the crochet piece. Please make sure the correct side is facing you. Now, we have finished totally 9 stitches for round 2. We can count the stitches together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For round 3 to round 4, we need to work 9 single crochet each round, totally 9 stitches each round. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet, mark this stitch. Repeat single crochet to finish 9 single crochet for round 3. The third single crochet. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 3. Repeat 9 single crochet in the same way as round 3 to finish round 4. Finished round 4. For round 5, we need to work 3 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, totally 6 stitches. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet, mark this stitch. Now, we need to work 1 decrease. Insert hook into the front loop of the next stitch. And insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch after that. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops to make 1 decrease. Finished 1 sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. See 2 stitches. Continue with 1 single crochet next. And 1 decrease. Insert hook into the front loop of the next stitch. And insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch after that. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops to make 1 decrease. Finished 2 sequences. For the third sequence, 1 single crochet first. And 1 decrease. Work 1 slip stitch at the first stitch to fasten off. Finished round 5. Now, we can use the hook to stuff stuffing inside the egg. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 3-inch long tail. Cut off the yarn and pull tight. Now, we need to close the opening. Thread the yarn tail through the yarn needle. Insert the needle into the front loop of every V-stitch around from right to left and draw yarn through. Now, we need to pull tight the yarn to close up the opening. Then we need to insert the needle into the next stitch, draw yarn through. Don't pull tight. Insert needle back into the ring left between the stitches and pull tight to make a knot. And poke the yarn tail back inside to hide it. Finished 1 egg. We need to crochet other 2 eggs with haze pink yarn in the same way.